नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is from Stuart Claus Philosophy, Cure and Recovery. The advent of homeopathy in the world opened a new era in medicine and gave new meaning to the word cure. In the organ of medicine, Hahnemann in military parlance sounded the recall to all physicians in the field and laid before them a new plan of campaign and a new method of attack upon the enemy forces of disease. For the first time in history, it then became possible to treat diseases under scientific principles and perform true cures by medication. Cure tends to proceed from more recent to older symptoms, from vital organs to less vital organs, from the center to the circumference, from above downwards. Hahnemann gives, for the first time in medical history, an adequate and satisfying definition of the ideal expressed in the word cure. The highest ideal of a cure is rapid, gentle, and permanent restoration of health or removal and annihilation of the disease in its whole extent in the shortest, most reliable, and most harmless way on easily comprehensible principles. This is aphorism number 2. Cure is dependent not upon precedent, opinion, or speculation, but upon the application of principles moreover that are easily comprehensible. The only principles that are easy comprehensible are principles that are true. The only principles that are true are principles logically deduced from facts, all the facts that belong to the field of research involved. Simplicity, comprehensibility, the highest criteria of truth. The highest truth are always simple. Cure is never accomplished by methods which are but a mere imitation of nature or nature's processes. Recoveries only result from such methods. Frequently, great injury to inflicted upon the patient by the use of such methods because many of nature's processes cannot be successfully imitated by man. There is always something that eludes us in our attempt to grasp nature's deeper secrets. Recovery is the spontaneous return of the patient to health after removal, disappearance, or cessation of the exciting causes and occasion of disease, or as a result of treatment which is not directly and specifically curative in its nature. Recovery takes place by virtue of the existence of sufficient integrity of organs and inherent power of reaction in the patient to overcome the disease producing agency without the aid of the homeopathic or healing art. Recovery is favored by the application of sound principles of mental and physical hygiene, judicious mechanical or surgical treatment when required, avoidance of drugs used for their physiological effects, and by enlightened sanitation. The Hahnemannian ideal of cure by medication, according to the principle of symptom similarity, largely lost sight of for a time in the dazzling accomplishments of modern surgery and laboratory research, has been passing through such a period of neglect and obscurity. But already there are signs of a revival of this great truth as science, in its wider reaches, is beginning to correlate the results of its work. Homeopathy is gradually being rediscovered by modern science. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.